You know, like, bro, whoever told you your career is more important than having kids?
Your career don't mean shit, man.
You just got...
Your career don't mean shit.
Just got scammed for the rest of your life.
That is a scam, bro.
It's a scam that
Have fucking kids, man.
You got told that your career is more important than having kids. That's a scam, lad. You're gonna grow up old. Who's gonna look after your ass? Yeah.
Ask your mom, ask your grandma, ask your aunt, whoever, bro.
Yeah.
Before you make the decision to not have kids.
Like, you're the...
Because that's the thing, right? So when they make the decision to not have kids, they never go seek the other side, the people that had kids.
Yeah.
They'll always seek their answer that they want.
Because they got brainwashed by the idea that women needs equality of opportunity. This is a scam.
It ain't equal, man.
There's nothing more important than having kids.
It's not equal because we don't have equal responsibility.
No, we don't.
But yeah, it is a scam.